BMW R1300GS owners, we're going to be talking about this button here. This button is called the function list button. I like to call it the burger button. We have the wheel here, which is called the multi-controller, and we have a rocker switch called the multiple rocker switch. These three work in conjunction and give us a list of functions on our TFT. The way we do this is to press the burger button, we get a list of functions on the screen. We can use the wheel to scroll up and down and select an item. If I push the wheel to the right, it puts a dot to the left of it and shows us at the bottom what it is. That has now become the primary function. We're now going to set up a secondary function, let's say heating. So I hold the wheel to the right and we get a hold sign with a burger on it. How we use this, when I use the rocker switch here, it automatically uses the primary function. So the screen's going up and down and it shows a picture of that on the screen. If I want to use the secondary function, I hold down the burger button, it shows me the function, and I can now use the rocker switch again to change the secondary function. Well, I found that quite hard to understand reading the manual, but someone showed me how to use it and now I find it quite simple.